Fred VanEck is my uncle, and one aspect of Fred is that he was crazy about trees. My dad would say his love of trees went back to when he was a kid. And one way of expressing that is just to put it into a forest.
When I met Fred, the two of us began talking about what we love about forests. And that began a conversation that has ended up in these demonstration forests.
He was also a very frugal investor and a very frugal person. Buying clear-cut redwood forest was a very natural thing for him to do. I think he would just see that opportunity. It's like, I can buy this for a song and I know that forests regrow.
There's an enormous synergy between how you manage forests well and how you manage your finances well. The philosophy that Fred had was to build and appreciate and hold and benefit. That's exactly what you do when you want to restore a forest.
I think it's important to tell the story because I think all of us can do a little bit as we try to pursue environmental goals.